Projo had a question. He asked, "Hello, what is the equivalent of interpolate density in the Brush Microjam?"
Well, the Brush Microjam was pretty simple. There wasn't any sort of interpolation. I'll give you a bit of a sneak peek example under the hood of this. I can't say anything that's like that I don't know, but essentially there's a lot of different ways in shaders and in math that you can make a sort of brush, right? Because you only have strokes every frame. So if you're brushing very fast or you're doing a very hard curve, it only knows those points that it gets every frame. So if you're brushing like fast, for instance, a lot of times it'll be a very like sharp curve where there's just like a point here, a point here, a point here, and you can see those like corners on the curve. But there are a lot of algorithms out there, and you can look up well, I'll think of the name of it in a second or share after. But there are a lot of different algorithms that you can predict what that rounded curve would be based on input data. So what we're doing in the brush is we're predicting that curve, and we're assuming if you have a point here, a point here, and a point here, and it forms kind of a triangle, we make the brush curve around that point with an algorithm. So that's super helpful for something like this, because like it's very rare that you're very quickly zipping back and forth and you want like a bunch of hard edges. So yeah, you get very round edges with this kind of thing. Does that answer the question, or did I just totally go off on a tangent?
I think you answered the question, but if you need more clarifications, Projo, please let us know.